Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get small home-based business grant with simple steps. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $45,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of its complete application, as well as I will tell you each and every eligibility criteria and every step that you need to take in order to get this small home-based business grant. And you know that the other word for grant is free money, so it means you won't have to pay back a single penny to anyone. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1, let's go. So after a lot of requests, messages, emails and comments, right here in front of you, here is an amazing opportunity specifically for the people of Eaglewood, Colorado. Yes, I've been receiving a lot of requests from you to actually come up with something for Colorado, and right here, as you know, you always believe on us. So right here, here's an opportunity right in front of you by Credit Viral channel. So now let's see that how you can get it and what is the overview of this grant. So this grant is actually just introduced by the city of Eaglewood. So right here, the application's deadline is December 16, 2020. So make sure you watch this video till the end in order to know each and every step that you need to take, and then apply right away, because this is a grant and it means free money. And remember, there are not a lot of grants out there for home-based business, and this is the only one that I have found right here. So please don't forget to actually do it as soon as possible. But remember that we do have other grants that we have uploaded on our Credit Viral channel that is for home-based business, but this one is only specifically for home-based businesses. So they are calling it home-based interruption grant. So what they're saying is saying that the city is offering a grant to all eligible for-profit businesses. And remember, yes, this is only for for-profit home-based businesses with a physical address, and the mailbox are not applicable, so they don't require it. So if you have the mailbox number, you cannot apply for this grant. But if your business has a physical address, and even though it's your home address, then you are good to go. You can apply for this grant. And remember, they require that your business must be operational or had to be operational prior to March 17, 2020. So keep that in mind. The maximum amount they are giving is $2,000, and remember, this is free money. As you already know that the grant means free money, it means you will not have to pay a single penny back to anyone. And remember, they said that it will not exceed the amount of the gross revenue lost for the period of April 2020 to September 2020 compared to the same period in 2019. So keep that in mind. And again, the deadline is December 16, 2020. So after watching this video, do apply for this grant right away. Now let's see that what are the eligibility criteria and how the application looks like. So now the countdown begins. So 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this application will open. So I'm going to tell you each and everything that you need to fill right here. But before, I want to tell you the eligibility criteria and what are the things that you need in order to get this grant. So the first one is that the business has a physical and publicly accessible location in the city of Eaglewood within a residential district. So of course, if you are living in your house and the people can actually access your address, and even though it doesn't matter that you are doing business in your own house because it's a home-based grant, so this is the first requirement that they have. So if you have a business with a physical address, and doesn't matter it's your home address because this is a home based business grant, then you're good to go. You can apply for this grant. The second one is the businesses has experienced revenue decline between April 1 2020 and September 30th 2020 as a result of the pandemic. So yes, if you have any sort of revenue decline in between that period, so you can definitely apply for this grant and you are eligible. And the third one is that the business was in operation on March 17 2020. So on March 17, that's what they call the pandemic starting line. So if your business was operational on March 17 2020, you are good to go. You can apply for this grant. The fourth one is the business is licensed with the City of Eaglewood Revenue and Licensing Division. Of course, if you are based in the City of Eaglewood, then you have to have a license from the city. So the next one is the business is engaged in activities that are legal under city and state law. I'm not going to elaborate it or describe it because you pretty much understand what it means. The business can meet technical requirements including ability to provide financial records to support grant requests. You can actually show them your bank statement, your business bank statement, or you can show them your profit and loss statement if you have any. But in most cases, your business bank statement would be enough. The next one is that any grant funds received will be used for expenses indicated above. So I will tell you for what purpose you can use this grant. And the last one is that the business meets all requirements of home-based occupation outlined in Title 1654C. I'm going to take you on this clause as well. So right here, when we scroll up, they tell you that how you can use it. So right here, they tell you that you can use it for the rent or mortgage payment, or you can actually do mortgage payment of your house as well if you are operating within your house premises or your business address is your house address. You can actually use it for employee support such as salaries, insurance, and paid leave. You can use it for paying utilities including your, of course, your electric bill, your phone or internet, or you can use it to purchase the pandemic supplies for the protection or cleaning of the facility. Next one is that you can actually purchase of supplies to offer alternative business access such as curbside pickup or delivery. If you're doing like home-based delivery, you can do that. Now the next one is that expenses associated with increased material costs from suppliers or sourcing from alternative suppliers, because like a lot of businesses are affected because they used to order a lot of things from Alibaba and other e-commerce sites, but because of the pandemic a lot of things they are really limited. So now people or the businesses had to rely on third-party suppliers which they don't have relationship, you can say the business relationship. So of course they got their merchandise for a lot expensive as compared to they usually buy from. So yes, if you've been affected in any way like this, then you can get this grant. The last one is expense associated with marketing the business if closed or reopening from closure. So yes, if your business has been closed or of course you're planning to reopen it, then you can apply for this grant. So now let's see how the application looks like. In the application, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it and this page will open. Of course, first this page actually will open, and then you need to click right here on application and this page will open. So right here you need to put your first and last name, the name of your business type, what sort of business you have, your address, of course, if you're home-based business, or your house address, your email address, your phone number. Remember, I always advise you guys to put your personal phone number right here, because if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you. Of course, the date business was established, and then what are the impacts or what are the reasons that your business has been impacted, and what are the ways that your business was impacted and you actually suffered a loss. So and then they're gonna ask you the number of employees if you have any. If you're the only one, of course you can put yourself as well, your current number of paid employees, your number of employees employees residing at the above address, of course your home-based address, and if you have any family member as an employee or as a partner in your business, or you can actually put the number of employees residing at different address if they're actually a partner or they're working for you and they live in any other address. You also need to tell them your business revenue from April 1st to September 30th, 2019. And if you can also show them the from April 1st, 2020 till September 30th, 2020. The first one is actually optional, so if you want to show them, you can, but if you don't, it's not going to make any effect. So the actual one, the highlighted one, is actually the second one. Additional documents may be requested to review the application. Of course, if they feel like they need any additional information from you, they will contact you. That's why I always tell you to put your own personal number and email address right here. So this is all about it. The other things are the attachments, so you can just click on it, and these are the papers. And the last one, of course, you need to put your title, like if you're the owner, if you're the CEO, or you are the president, so you can just put it right here, and date. And of course, they actually request the tax paper identification number, so this is the form that you can actually fill. It is a general form that you actually give it to your employees as well, so it's W9 form, so you can do that. So this is all about it, and remember that right after this video I am going to make another video, or upload another video, by the way, which will allow you to get a $45,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So please don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content like this one just for you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.